There are times when life gets busy. I'm not able to get out and kayak or climb a mountain, maybe spend the night in the woods next to a fire. All the things I do to kind of reset myself and get that mental clarity. So when I am busy, I still like to take a scenic drive on a road that I've never been on, or stop and see a waterfall, or climb down to the riverbank just to check out a rapid. Tiny increments just to kind of give me that boost, get me through till the next time I can get out and go on an adventure. I want to encourage you to kind of do the same. Find little things that help you get by, help you get to the next day with a smile on your face. Thanks for checking this out.